Welcome to It's Rafiq. Here is the second part of Chapter 1 Introduction to Computer Networks Question Bank Solved Answers. In the first part, I have already given till question number 20. Here from 21. First, what is NIC or Network Interface Card? NIC is a hardware component that is used to connect a computer to a network. Without NIC, a computer cannot be a part of a network. It is also called LAN adapters. What is switch? A switch is a networking device which connects multiple computers together in a network along with some routing information. Switch is smarter than hub. What is the difference between switch and hub? We'll write their both differences. The main difference is like a switch also can contain some routing information, but hub does not contain any information. It just connects the computer. What is a router? It is a networking device used to connect two or more interconnected heterogeneous network. Write about router, we can write like this. First we'll write the definition, then a router maintain a chart of network ID and output ports. When data is received, router read the data address of the incoming data and transmit it to the destination. A router also contains information about connected networking devices such as hub and switch. What is access point? Access point is a networking device that creates wireless network. Computers that have a wireless network interface card can connect to such wireless network. Then what is the main function of access point? The main function of access point is used to provide wireless network connectivity. What is network protocol? A network protocol is a set of well-established rules that determine how two computers communicate or transfer data between them. Some important protocols are HTTP, FTP, TCP, IP, etc. What is TCP? TCP is an important protocol on the internet which is used for connecting the computers, connecting and transmitting data to the computers. What is the primary ability of internet protocol? The IP delivers a packet from a source to a host destination based on IP address present in the packet. What is the difference between POP and SMTP? SMTP is used to send outgoing emails, where POP is used to send receiving incoming emails. What is the use of HTTP? It is used to fetching web addresses such as web page, HTML document. HTTP is a client-server protocol. Then what about HTTP? Write about HTTPS. HTTPS is a combination of hypertext transfer protocol and added security features. In HTTPS, data are sent after encryption, which means unauthorized user cannot read the data. Write the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. We can write this way, both like HTTP send the data without encryption, but HTTPS sent with after encryption. What is the meaning of encryption? Encryption is the process of converting information or data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. What is the main disadvantage of FTP? The main disadvantage of FTP protocol is it does not encrypt the username, password and data when logging to a server or during the data transfer. Means when we are sending a file or receiving a file through FTP, it is a plain text, plain file which can read by anyone in between. What is the purpose of hostname? A hostname command is used to give the name of the computer to a network. Hostname can distinguish the computers in a network. Distinguish means identify. What is the purpose of ipconfig? Ipconfig is used to determine computers' networking information such as IP address and default gateway. What is the purpose of ping command? Ping command is used to verify the connectivity between two computers. What is FTP? It is used to transfer files between two computers. What is the purpose of ARP command? ARP command used to map the IP address to MAC addresses. Why hostname not be used to identify computers in a network? Because hostname can be changed by user easily. So what happen when a user, suppose a user is working on a computer by using A, but after that he changed the name into B, then what happen when someone want to connect the computer A, it will be not available, so it will give error. And even sometime the same network might have two or more computer have same name, so at that time also we'll get conflict error. That's why we should not use host name to identify the computer in a network. Example of valid IP address. Now you remember, for valid IP address we have to write the number in 4 groups separated by dot, and each number should be from 0 to 255, and always give the large number in front 2 groups, and in second 2 groups give smaller number. And for invalid IP address you can write anything, you can make 5 groups or 3 groups, you can give a number which is larger than 255, so this way you can write invalid. How many 16 port switches are required to connect 31 computer to a network? It is 3 switches. Now long answer, what are the benefits of MAC address? MAC address cannot be modified by the user. MAC address can uniquely identify the computer in a network. MAC address is assigned by the hardware manufacturers. Mention the component required to set up a MAN. Draw the block diagram of MAN. This is I have already given in chapter 1 exercise answers. So please check that video I have given in description. Can we compare HTTP and FTP protocol? Mention their functionality. Yes, we can compare. Then we can write both of their definition, like HTTP used to transfer web document and FTP used to transfer files. And benefits: through HTTP we can transfer hypertext information. Hypertext information means through there we can send text, images, video, audio, almost all the digital files. And even through HTTPS we can encrypt the data and transfer it. And it is a client server protocol, means same time it is work for the client also and for server also. The benefit of FTP: can transfer file anonymously, means without any username or password we can transfer our files or we can receive our files. And FTP command, user can move around different directories of the server. We can fully access the file system of a server. We can browse to different folders and files, and we can download or upload it. We can download the files from that particular folder, or even we can upload files to that particular folder. So these are some benefits of FTP. So these are the solved answer of chapter 1 part 2, and part 1 link is already given in description, even in comment box, so you can get it from there also. Even if you have any confusion from these answers, or if I did any mistake, please point me out in comment. And I have already given, I think, Nagaon district solved question paper. If you have missed the video, please go to the playlist, and or from the comment section you will get the link, you can watch it from there. And if you have any other question paper of any other district, you can share with me in Telegram or Instagram. Definitely I will solve the paper and upload it for you. And even you can get a PDF copy of the answers in my Telegram channels. So please do a visit and subscribe to the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.